Do you know IQ? Yes, intelligent quotient. Like that, EQ is there, emotional quotient. Along with the intelligence, we must have emotional intelligence also for a better person in the society. In this session, we are going to discuss the concept of emotional intelligence and its importance in the working organization or in society in general. Emotional intelligence is the ability to monitor one's own and other people's emotions. It includes discrimination between different emotions and labeling them appropriately, and usage of emotional information in the behavior. So, we can define emotional intelligence as the capability of a person to manage and control his or her emotions and possess the ability to control the emotions of others as well. Observe this animation. Who is emotionally intelligent fellow in this group? I think no one, because others are unable to identify his emotions, and our hero, he cannot control his emotions. So both are emotionally not intelligent fellows. Daniel Goleman developed a framework with 5 elements that define emotional intelligence. Those 5 ingredients are self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Let us see how to improve our existing level of emotional intelligence. Observe how you react to the people. Introspect yourself and recap your actions. Are you an anger person or a crazy to them? Look at your work environment and surroundings. Talk and act accordingly. Do a self-evaluation every day. It improves our overt behavior, how we react with the other people. Especially examine how you react to the stressful situations. Remember, the words spoken by us, we cannot take them back again. So, take the responsibility for our actions and our talk. We have to observe and examine how our actions will affect others. These are all few techniques to improve our emotional intelligence in the society. Emotional intelligence is an essential ingredient to balance our life for a better personality. Emotional intelligence improves our physical health. An emotional intelligent fellow is less affected by the stress hormone cortisol, which is a aging hormone. An emotional intelligent fellow makes himself and his surroundings very happily. He smiles more. Do you know, when we smile, melatonin will produce in the body. That melatonin works against cortisol, a stress hormone. So ultimately, you will attain a mental well-being. Our emotional intelligence helps to improve our relationships. There won't be any other conflicts. It improves our success rate. Do you know, most of the successful leaders are emotionally intelligent fellows. So, be an emotionally intelligent. Don't suffer like this. Emotional intelligence can benefit you personally as well as professionally. Let's see some of the personal benefits. It improves the success rate and our personal relationships. It makes you optimistic. It causes better health and confidence to you. Let's see some of the professional benefits. It affects our leadership skills. It improves our communication. There won't be any other conflicts in the society. It offers better problem solving skills. Ultimately, it improves our personality and likelihood for promotions. Thank you.